sila ay mostly abandoned na. Nagpo-fall na siya ng abandon since wala na pong bumibisita ng mga parents or any other families, ganun po. So they are diagnosed with ADHD, cerebral palsy.
It is a home where they can be accepted and live harmony with others, more so where they can have a freedom and dignity.
Yung main objectives ng initiatives dito sa Munting Tahanan is to alleviate the suffering of the most vulnerable in the society, which is ayun yung mission ng Chuchi Foundation. Nakapagbigay tayo ng kasiyahan, natulungan natin yung institusyon nila na magkaroon ng bagong pag-asa.
Yung top priority po is yung mga donation po na binibigay dahil isa po yun sa malaking tulong po sa kanila. Tulad po ng mga binigay yung wheelchair, mga school supplies since may mga nag-aaral po kami dito.
Thankful po kami na binisita nyo po at always choosing our institution to conduct this kind of activity.
Of course, we can all see that Munting Tahanan ng Nazareth. We can see people, we can see children with special needs here that they can take care of themselves, di ba? Hindi nila kayang sustentuhan yung sarili nila. I think it is physically, emotionally, di ba? They are unstable. I'm really happy and I am blessed na makatulong din sa mga tao na nangangailangan because I've been there before. That's why I'm here at Chuchi Pampanga. Kasi kailangan ko din yung tulong to continue my studies. And I am really grateful for that opportunity na nagkaroon din ako to help others and to bless others by the means of pagbo-volunteer for this outreach program.